Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As promised, in today's video I am going to show you how to style the slouchy jean. And if you guys have not seen my denim you need video, the slouchy jean is something that I just have been loving. I've been using it to death. It's practically my uniform. The slouchy jean or the slouchy pant is also called the balloon pant, a pleated chino, dad pants, oversized baggy jeans. They're called so many different things, but at the end of the day, they all pretty much look the same. The only thing that really is different is probably the material. The reason why I love these slouchy pants is because, first of all, they're just so comfortable as opposed to wearing something like a skinny jean. These ones fit pretty loose on you around the leg, but they taper you around the waist and around the ankles. And honestly, I have been able to use these jeans for every day, for weekend casual wear, for work meetings and things like that. So I think they're very versatile, which is why I love them, which is why I wanted to do this video. I personally like wearing tighter items on the top with these pants just because they are loose fitting. Things like bodysuits and crop tops will just kind of balance out the oversized nature of the pants, but you could still wear them with oversized items on top like sweaters. It's just all about how you wear them, and I'll show you some of the ways I wear them in the video. And as always, you're probably gonna see me pair these outfits with heels, but you can always improvise. If you don't like wearing heels, you can wear a lot of these outfits with flat shoes, with sneakers, and so on. And so if you're interested in seeing how I style slouchy pants, then please keep watching.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you, our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes.
Alright you guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it useful. If you did, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. If this was your first time here and you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And don't forget to check the description box because I will link everything that I wore in this video. Again, thank you so much for watching and spending your time with me. I really appreciate it. See you in my next video.